Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GCF Learn Free, now called GCF Global. When I first started working with it, it called itself GCF Learn Free. You notice I put a link specifically to GCF Learn Free. So I think there's a lot of things that you're probably going to want to know about them. And this is a link just to the Internet Basics. So if you go here, it has a series of different sections. Each section stands alone. You will use several of them, but not necessarily all of them. Okay? So you can see on the Internet, what's the Internet? What can you do online? Connecting to the Internet, understanding the cloud, using a browser, understanding hyperlinks, and a lot of these you will do. Alright? So, be aware of this. There's more things that there are in GCF Global. Okay? So if you want to see more of what they have available to you, this is just under the Internet itself. Here's stuff in Word. How do computers work? How does Microsoft Office work? How do computers in general, how do smartphones work? Job searching. This is a very, very useful place that you can learn a lot of useful skills. So we're going to use this, sorry, let me get back to the correct place here. We're going to use this GCF Learn Free, this free resource, to learn a lot of, hold on. So I'm going to show you how you would use this, some of these same techniques to do the GCF Learn Free tutorials, and how you would prove it to me. I'll switch back to being a student again, so I could give you points for it, so you would get a good grade in this class. So I'm going to go down to this one, Computer Basics Project. Okay. And if you notice, this will go to gcflearnfree.org, Computer Basics. Alright. And I've left you some other information here. So you're going to complete the Computer Basics tutorial. You're going to create a Google Docs document. And in the document, answer the following questions. Think about the activities you perform or want to perform using a computer. Is it a computer? And so there's some questions here. Alright. So let me click on this. This will take us to GCF Learn Free. Actually, let me do this. I am going to open this as a new tab. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to open a new tab, and this will take me to, hit enter there, to this tutorial here, which will teach me all about the basic parts of a computer. Okay, and let's see, complete the Computer Basics tutorial. So you'll be going through all of this here. Okay, so once you get here, you will open this up and start learning what's on this tutorial. You will just go through it. Sometimes it will have you do things, sometimes it will just talk to you and give you some ideas. There will be videos that you will watch.
Computers are all around us. From laptop computers, to smartphones, to smart watches.
In the end, you are going to, as you go through all of this, you're going to reach the point where you'll be given a quiz. Okay? So here's a Computer Basics quiz. There are 25 questions in the quiz. What is software? Is it flexible parts of a computer case? Is it clothing designed to be worn by computer users? Is it instructions that tell the hardware what to do? Any part of the computer that has a physical structure. Well, the physical structure is a hardware. It's not flexible parts of a computer case or the clothing. It's the instructions that tell the hardware what to do. So you click on that and click on Submit. You will go to the next question, and you go through these 25 questions. When you get to the end, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. In this case, I did it for the email basics. This had 10 questions actually. You will have 25. When you get to this point, it will look like this, and you will have a score in this circle here. Okay? And it will say computer basics, not email basics. What I want you to do is once you get to this point, I want you to take a screenshot of this screen and submit it to me. Okay? So let's see what that would look like when you submit it. So let me go back to the assignment we're on. Computer Basics project. Go down to the bottom. I'm going to add a submission. Oh, and my apologies. You will want to create a document. Same way. So go to your drive, go to your CIS136, then Labs, create a new Google Doc. And you will call this one CIS136. I believe that was Computer Basics. If you're not sure, just go copy and paste it. And what you will do is you will go ahead and paste your screenshot. And just to make it easy for us, instead of me redoing this, I'll just go ahead and take a screenshot right here. Print screen. I'll paste this in. This is not what quite what yours would look like. And then you can also put me a link directly to your doc file itself. Okay, this particular doc file, which in this case would be this one here. So I can go back to my Google Drive. There it is. Okay. I copy the link to it again. If it asks for the link, submit the link. And if not, go ahead and put it into your Google Doc to make it easier. So we copy that link. And I'm going to paste it. It keeps wanting me. You're welcome to install that if you want. I just don't need it myself. I'll just do Control V for paste. It's Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Does not always work in Chrome, just so you know. Alright? And then you can submit that doc to me. Go ahead and save it as, or download as, a PDF. Again, we'll put it into your download folder. So now you have a PDF of CIS136 Computer Basics Lab that you can upload to me if that's what you need. Alright? So this is how you complete the project Computer Basics. You'd also do the same thing for the Email Basics Lab. And there are a number of different labs that you will do from GCF Learn Free. So if we look through here, the Email Lab, that's from GCF Learn Free. Computer Basics, that is not. But this will work similarly. The Internet Search Project is a crossword puzzle, which again, you will complete the crossword puzzle, take a screenshot of it, and send me the screenshot. Okay? And the VPN, I believe, is also, no, that's actually a research project. Wi-Fi Lab is GCF Learn Free. So you'll do this multiple times in this classroom. If you have any questions, please email me.